In today's video, we're going to explain how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 10 or 11 without software. Windows actually has a few built-in tools that can help you get those files back, no third-party apps needed. Now, for this guide, we're going to assume you already checked the recycle bin, searched in File Explorer, and made sure the file isn't just misplaced or hidden. We're skipping those basics and jumping straight into the recovery methods that, in our experience, actually give you a shot at getting permanently deleted files back without installing any recovery software. Let's start with the first built-in tool. Method 1. Use file history. First, type file history in the Start menu. Click Restore your files with file history. Browse or search for the file, then hit the green Restore button. It's one of the simplest ways to restore a deleted file without any software. It works on both Windows 10 and 11. However, as you might have guessed, file history needs to have been turned on before the file was deleted. By default, it backs up common folders like desktop, documents, and anything inside your libraries. So if you lost a file from one of those locations and file history was active, this method could save you. Method 2. Restore previous versions. This method is related to file history and comes with the same condition. It only works if file history was active before the file got deleted. Go to the folder where the deleted file used to be. Right-click it and choose Properties. Open the Previous Versions tab. If there's a version listed, you can open it to preview or restore. This works for both folders and individual files, especially useful if a file was overwritten or changed, and you want to roll it back. If nothing shows up, it means Windows didn't keep a restore point for that location. Still, if previous versions are available, it's another easy way to recover permanently deleted files on Windows without using third-party tools. Method 3. Try Backup and Restore. This one's a bit old school, but still works if you've been using Windows Full System Backup. Even though it's called Backup and Restore, Windows 7, it's still available in Windows 10 and 11. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. Go to System and Security. Find Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Click Restore My Files. If Windows detects a backup, you can browse through it and restore specific files or folders. Again, this only works if you had set up Windows Backup earlier. Otherwise, this option won't show anything. Method 4. Recover files from cloud storage. Using OneDrive? Great, OneDrive comes pre-installed on Windows 11, so there's a good chance it might help here. Go to OneDrive.live.com and sign in. Click Recycle Bin on the left. If the deleted file is there, select it and click Restore. But keep this in mind, OneDrive mirrors your PC. If the file was deleted and your recycle bin was empty, it's gone from the cloud too. Now, if you've been using other cloud services, especially Google Drive, it's worth checking their trash too. Unlike OneDrive, Google Drive works a little differently. When you delete a synced file from your computer and empty the recycle bin, Google Drive often just unsyncs the file. That means you may still find it in your drive trash at drive.google.com, even if it's long gone from your PC. Method 5. When recovery without software doesn't work. As you can see, there are ways to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 11 without software. However, in our experience, most people don't think about any of these backup features until after something's already been deleted. And that usually means one thing: none of the built-in options were ever set up in the first place. At that point, Windows simply has no way to help. This is when your only real options are: use data recovery software to scan the drive before anything gets overwritten. Or, in extreme cases, send the drive to a professional data recovery lab, which is usually expensive and time-consuming. Most people will want to go with recovery software. Here's an example using Disk Drill, which we often recommend in our other recovery guides. Go to the official Disk Drill website, download the app, and install it. If possible, install it on a different drive than the one you're recovering from. That helps avoid overwriting the data you're trying to get back. Open Disk Drill and select the drive where the file was deleted from. Click Search for lost data to begin the scan. If Disk Drill asks which scan mode to use, go with Universal Scan. Once it's done, you'll see the results organized by file type, like pictures, videos, documents, and more. You can either click on one of those categories to focus on a specific file type, or choose Review Found Items to see everything Disk Drill found in one list. Browse the list, and select the files you want to recover. As you click on a file, you should see a preview appear on the right. That's a quick way to tell what you're looking at. And more importantly, if the preview loads properly, it's a sure sign the file is recoverable. Finally, click Recover, then choose a safe destination folder. Again, not on the same drive you're recovering from. And that's it for today. We hope you were able to recover deleted files without software on your Windows system. And if none of the built-in methods worked, remember, you still have the software route available. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. If you've got questions about any of these methods, or just want to share your experience, drop us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more recovery tips and how-to guides like this one. Thanks for watching.